Starting around 20 September 2023, Star Atlas DAO most certainly is exchanging at 11 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.02% in every way that really matters, fundamentally most recent 60 minutes, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Polis fundamentally has an essentially complete market cap of $17,348,309, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $229,331 in an unobtrusive manner, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. This in a real sense makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, truly positioning at 612 in the digital currency market, in a kind of significant manner. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Star Atlas DAO cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Star Atlas DAO basically be fundamentally worth in 2023, in an especially huge manner? Is Star Atlas DAO a genuinely wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in a decently essentially significant manner, which is genuinely huge? Will Polis cost fundamentally outperform its unsurpassed high, which really is genuinely huge, or so they thought? These extremely are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's future in an especially significant manner. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2023. As per the Star Atlas DAO conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Polis cost by and large is supposed to commonly cross a reasonably in every practical sense normal value level of 12 cents, the normal pretty certainly least value worth of Star Atlas DAO, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to sort of be 12 cents, showing the way that Polis explicitly has an especially all-out market cap of $17,348,309, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $229,331, or so they really thought in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Polis can essentially arrive at an especially most extreme value level of 13 cents, which especially is very huge. Star Atlas DAO value expectation August 2023. The cost of Star Atlas DAO, especially in a real sense, is most certainly anticipated to truly reach at a sort of all things considered least worth of $0.096 in August 2023, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Polis cost could generally fundamentally arrive at a really most extreme worth of 11 cents, with the typical exchanging worth of 11 cents, all through 2023. Star Atlas DAO value expectation September 2023. Star Atlas DAO cost truly is supposed to by and large reach between 11 cents to 11 cents in September 2023, while the kind of truly normal cost of Polis for the September essentially remains around 11 cents. Star Atlas DAO value conjecture October 2023. The truly normal cost of Star Atlas DAO, Polis, could explicitly go to 11 cents toward the finish of October 2023 in a truly significant manner. Polis could basically explicitly be exchanging around a sort of greatest worth of 12 cents, with the extremely least expected cost of 11 cents, or so they especially thought. Polis value figure November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Star Atlas DAO generally is supposed to basically arrive at an especially truly least value worth of 11 cents, which explicitly is very huge. The Polis cost could arrive at a pretty truly greatest cost of 12 cents, with the by and large normal cost around 12 cents, which truly is very critical. Star Atlas DAO value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO certainly is supposed to sort of truly be at around an actually quite least of 12 cents. So this especially really makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, most certainly fundamentally positioning at 612 in the digital currency market, which basically sort of is very huge, which explicitly is very critical. Star Atlas DAO cost can sort of arrive at a pretty especially limit of 13 cents, with the for the most part normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical in an unpretentious way. Star Atlas DAO actually passed value examination and the by and large beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been generally diminished by 3.34% in its most certainly current worth, or so they essentially thought. Assuming we sort of look at the genuinely beautiful current market cap of the Polis with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense especially see that the market cap essentially certainly is likewise down in a fundamentally large manner. From by and large most recent 7 days, the Polis was an especially great vertical pattern, and expanded by 18.52%, or so they basically especially thought. Star Atlas DAO basically has shown extremely lovely sort areas of strength 4 of potential of late, and this could be in every practical sense, generally excellent chance to explicitly dive right in and contribute, exhibiting that Paulus really has an essentially complete market cap of $17,348,309, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $229,331, which is genuinely critical. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Paulus explicitly diminished by 55.184%, disposing of an astounding commonly normal amount of 14 cents from its extremely current worth, which especially shows that from very most recent 7 days, the Paulus for the most part, generally was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 18.52% in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be an especially decent essentially purchase a valuable open door for truly speedy interest in a fundamentally significant manner, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO Value Figure 2023 Facts. What will be Star Atlas DAO by and large genuinely worth in 2023 in a quite huge manner? The Paulus value sort of is gauged to essentially arrive at an actually really greatest degree of 13 cents, with genuinely least cost of 12 cents. Toward the finish of 2023 in a pretty truly significant manner. Star's Atlas DAO generally have a future, or so they especially thought. As far as value, Star Atlas DAO most certainly has an extraordinary sort of potential to in every way that really matters, arrive at new levels, which certainly is genuinely huge, in spite of mainstream thinking. It especially sort of is estimate that Paulus will increment in esteem, which especially shows that Star Atlas DAO generally sort of has shown extremely major areas of strength 4 of recently, and this could be in every practical sense, genuinely great chance to explicitly dive right in and contribute, exhibiting that Paulus generally has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $17,348,309, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $229,331, or so they in every practical sense thought. As per certainly really unambiguous specialists and business experts, Star Atlas DAO can commonly generally stir things up around town, the greatest cost of $0.024 till 2030, showing how it generally is conjecture that Paulus will increment in esteem, which especially shows that Star Atlas DAO in a real sense has shown extremely areas of strength for lovely of potential recently, and this could be very great chance to especially dive right in and contribute, exhibiting that Paulus in a real sense has an all-out market cap of $17,348,309, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $229,331, which in every practical sense is very huge, which is very critical. Is Star